Akka mooltan daawwattoota keenya ani Tigist Gammeetii anan jiru as Washington DC magaalaa guddittii Ameerikaati. VOA sagantaa raadiyoo afaan Oromoo irraa. Anan asitti argame sagantaa addaa Atleet Faayisaa Leellisaatii qophaa'e. Sagantaan kun inni Atleet Faayisaa Leellisaan gaazexeessitoota bebbeekamoo adda addaa akkasumas immoo miidiyaa gurguddaan isa barbaadanii asitti ibsa kennaafii jira. Akkuma beektan Faayisaan ji'a hagayyaa dura atleetii maaraatoonii ta'uudhaan beekamaa amma immoo mirga dhala namaatii fi mormii Oromiyaatiin wal qabatee sagalee uummata Oromoo sagalee mormii kana waan dhiheesseef addunyaa irratti gaazexeessitoonni walitti qabamanii waan inni jedhu dhagahuuf jiru. Nu'is kana faana buunee simbiraan gahaa jirra. Ana wajjin seenaa turtii gaarii.
Brazilians in particular, Diasi and Sergio Moreira, had met Oromo and had heard their plight while visiting the United States since 2005. These respected people made every effort to arrange for friends and colleagues to reach out to Faisa in the period before his friends arrived from the United States. Some of them were members of the foreign ministry, some told him that they were from the police, that he shouldn't worry. But they said they were proud to have helped him. They say that he is a hero to them too. And one comment they asked me to convey that he is here now that he's in the United States. They wanted me to convey that they are proud to have helped him, and that he is here because Faisa and the Oromo have friends around the world that they don't even know about. Now Faisa is here to tell his story to the world and ask for their help. Faisa has sought this opportunity to meet with you in the press, to be able to speak freely for himself as to why he felt compelled, despite great personal risk to himself, his friends, his family, to take this daunting challenge and bring to the world about the story of Oromo and others that is actively violently suppressed in Ethiopia today. The story itself is suppressed. The black hole of press limitation is still very active. So his story, his fears, his hopes for the future are tied inextricably with those of his people. He hopes that you join with the others in a life of dark, ugly, tortured corners of detention centers around Ethiopia, holding innocent victims whose lives are in mortal danger for the sole reason that they have dared